Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to teach you the top 3 ways on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile so that you can get the best out of LinkedIn. But before we start, if you like our videos, if you see value in what we do here on BigLinker, I hope you hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay? Alright, so without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that you need to learn is how to optimize your headline on your LinkedIn profile. Okay? If you're not sure what it is, that is the first rectangular area on your LinkedIn profile. This is where you put your job title and how you help your clients or your customers. So as you can see here, as a good example, I have here my LinkedIn profile. I put here my job title, Director of Business Development. And what we do is we manage LinkedIn profiles to grow businesses. That is exactly what my job title is, and that is exactly how we help our clients. We manage LinkedIn profiles to grow their businesses. Okay, short, simple, yet precise. The next thing that you need to learn is that you need to create a theme. So a good example for that is Neil Patel. Okay, so as you can see here, Neil Patel has a orange cover photo. That is his branding. He's been using it for all of his social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and as you can see, same with LinkedIn. And if you think about it, most big brands have branding or theme as well. Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and even LinkedIn, they are consistent with their blue and white um, theme for their business. So again, create a theme. If the big guys are doing it, you should do it as well for your business. Next thing that you need to learn is that you need to let your clients know how they can reach out to you. Now that they know how you can help them, now that they got attracted with your branding or your theme, the next thing that you need to learn is that if they want to avail your product or services, how do they reach out to you? So as you can see here, the best example that I can get is Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary is a extremely popular here in the digital marketing world. And as you can see on his LinkedIn profile, he has here his phone number so that you can reach out to him or his team if you want to hire him for an event or as a speaker. And if you click his contact info, it has complete contact info and links for every website that he has, YouTube channel, the books that he published, and again another link that you can go if you want to hire him as a speaker for an event. So that is very powerful in terms of letting your clients know how they can reach out to you if they need your services. Again, those are the top 3 things that you need to learn if you want to get the best out of LinkedIn, getting more meetings, sales, and clients. All right, remember that. So, if you want to learn more on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, get the best out of LinkedIn, please visit biglinker.com. This is our website. So you can also book a meeting with us. It's for free. If you want us to see personally how we can help you with your business and how to help you with your LinkedIn marketing, please book a meeting with us. Again, my name is Kurt. I am the Director of Business Development here on BigLinker, and I hope to see you on the next video. All right, have a great day. Bye bye.